Speaking of which, Michael, you talked about a lot of very complex, sophisticated, complicated projects you've got going on over there. Give us sort of what's your number one when you all are sort of looking at the next 6 months. What's at the top of the list?
Yeah, I think, Luke, it's even going to get more complicated. So look, if we had to say that there was one overarching priority for the department from an IT perspective, I'd have to say it's a commitment to enabling a mobile workforce. And Kelsey touched on that. That's users using multiple different platforms to access not only department-wide data, but to engage in collaborations with other entities. As an example, before we would have said we have a collaboration platform, it's WebEx or it's Teams, and everybody in the department must use that. And if you get an invite for some other meeting, well, you got to figure out how to participate in that. And so if for today we're using a different collaboration platform, our users get requests to participate all the time in collaboration sessions. And since now everything is virtual, how do we give people the flexibility to actively participate in those collaboration sessions to ensure that they are safe and that the department is safe, but still giving them that flexibility? That's just one example. I think Kelsey also mentioned, before we would have pushed out PIV or CAC readers to everybody so that they could access data from home. But we had a lot of forward-leaning people and said, look, you can access all of your financial institutions through multi-factor authentication enabled via a mobile device. And we can count on the fact that people have primarily a mobile device. And so how do we leverage that mobile platform for using that for the basis of authentication, enabling that for one-time passwords, doing push notifications for people to ensure that they're safe, for reporting for reporting information. So all of that, all I'm trying to get at is we've now seen new ways of doing business through this mobile and remote work environment, and we just got to continuously iterate on that and leverage that in order to make the department more effective in the delivery of diplomacy. And if I had to put one overarching umbrella over it, that's the commitment from the IT organization for the department going forward.